Aloha my friends, Kristina here, and I am so happy to be back in a new video with you today. I'm going to be sharing with you what I am eating for dinner tonight. A delicious rainbow salad with an orange pistachio dressing. Now, my mom is actually in town visiting right now, so I'm making this dinner salad for both me and her. And of course, I'll have some other things on the table, but I went out into my garden earlier today and I picked the majority of what you see here on this table. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is, what do you eat for dinner as a raw vegan? What do you eat that truly satisfies you and that tastes amazing? Typically, when people are transitioning to a raw or vegan lifestyle, they have an easy time consuming juices, fruits, or smoothies during the day, but by the time they get to dinner, they really struggle with finding something that's quick and easy to make and essentially hits all of those craving points. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you a delicious rainbow garden salad. I've picked almost all of the ingredients on this table from my garden. I just went out and I picked a bunch of oranges from my trees to make the dressing with. I picked a bunch of fresh greens like kale, collards, arugula, and more for the fresh greens for the salad. I also picked some fresh herbs, and I picked a ton of rainbow peppers. My garden is exploding with rainbow bell peppers, spicy peppers, and more. And I also got some buttery ripe avocados from my neighbor's tree. I know I've said this before, but I have to mention it again because it is so essential. Having the right sauce or dressing on your salad or on any dish that you're preparing, especially when you're in the raw or vegan space, is crucial. It will make or break your meal. The more dressing or sauce recipes that you have to make in your repertoire is a game changer because it means you can make those recipes at any time and you can put them on anything. I hope that the dressing I'll be sharing with you today will become a favorite staple for you. I absolutely love this dressing. It's the perfect combination of sweet and creamy, and I know you will love it. For those of you who would like to reference the exact ingredients for this salad and this dressing, I have already added this recipe to my FullyRaw recipe app for you. For those of you who don't know, I have a raw vegan recipe app. It's called the FullyRaw app. It's available on iTunes and Google Play. The initial download is free, and then after that you can choose between a monthly or a yearly subscription. I've included both of those links below for you, so please give it a download and enjoy. I'm gonna be using my Vitamix blender to make the dressing today for the salad. I absolutely love my Vitamix blender. For those of you who are just beginning your raw or vegan journey, or if you're simply looking for a new blender, I highly recommend getting a Vitamix blender. It is a game changer when it comes to achieving success in this lifestyle. Not only can you make sauces and dressings, but you can make smoothies, soups, salsas. You can make so many things with this one machine. I've spent a lot of time building up my raw food kitchen, so I do have a lot of appliances in my kitchen. I have the A3500 and I love this Vitamix model because not only can you use the blender head on it, but you can also detach this blender head and put on a food processor attachment and also the stainless steel attachment. Essentially, this means that the A3500 base works with different top attachments and you can use it in multiple ways. There are so many things I can do with this blender. The A3500 is the top of the line model for Vitamix. So if you're looking for something a little bit more simple to get started, a little bit less expensive, I recommend the Venturous blender. And actually, I've included a link below for you that gives you $100 off a Vitamix Venturous blender. And there's so many things you can do with that. I've also included a special sales link below for you for Vitamix. It's evergreen, so anytime that you want to check out what sales Vitamix is having, go check out that link in the description below and you can see all the special deals that Vitamix is offering. So if you're looking to get a new blender, Vitamix is the way to go. And if you use my link below, you'll get free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Definitely go and check them out and have some fun making delicious recipes in your kitchen. I'm really grateful that my mom is visiting me right now. She has spent so much of her time caretaking for my grandparents this past year. And with that, she has not taken as good care of herself. So she's visiting me so she can get back into her rhythm. And I'm even thinking of making a video with her on how I'm supporting her in getting back on track on our health journey. If this is something you all would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. This is such a beautiful spread of color on the table right here. Even just looking at it makes me so happy. We are literally about to eat the rainbow. Are you guys ready to jump into this recipe? Let's dive in. The first thing that we're gonna do is make a bed or a base for our salad. I love to use a lot of fresh greens for the base of my salad. I simply love consuming a bunch of fresh greens. It's where I get all of my minerals. And honestly, I just feel so good when I eat more greens in my diet. Eating fresh greens on a daily basis is essential to one's overall health. If you don't want to use fresh greens for the salad, you can always use zucchini noodles, cucumber noodles, carrot noodles. You can even use kelp noodles. You can put this sauce on anything, but because I have so many fresh ingredients from my garden right now, I'm trying to use everything that I'm growing. So let's first start off by chopping up a bunch of fresh kale. You can also use fresh collard greens, arugula, spinach, romaine. Get creative with your greens. Rotate your greens to keep things interesting. Next, I'm gonna finely mince or chop some fresh cilantro and add it on top. I'll also finely chop some fresh green onions. You can add any onions of your choice if you'd like. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of color to the salad, and I'm gonna add on some red bell pepper, purple bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. You can truly add any veggie or fruit on your salad that you wish. I love adding bell peppers because they're crunchy and they're sweet. They just add such a nice texture and flavor to any salad. Plus, I have an overabundance of them growing outside, and I'm basically putting bell peppers on everything that I eat right now. Using a carrot peeler, I'm gonna be making some cucumber noodles. Look at these gorgeous cucumbers that my neighbor is growing. They're just gorgeous. You can use a spiralizer to make your cucumber noodles, but I'm simply using this carrot peeler that I found on Amazon. I've gone ahead and I've linked this peeler below for you, for those of you who are interested. I'll also use this carrot peeler to make carrot noodles or carrot strips to add on top as well. So once you've made your cucumber noodles and your carrot noodles, you can go ahead and add those on top of the base of your salad as well. I've also got some fresh microgreens here. I've really gotten into growing my own microgreens and my sprouts lately. For those of you who haven't seen any of my videos on growing sprouts or microgreens for less than $1 a day, please go check out those videos. I've also linked them below for you in the description, and I have a blog post on my website on how to get started growing your own sprouts and microgreens. Sprouts and microgreens are life force foods. I have a lot of different flavor and texture profiles happening on this salad. And because I have a sweet dressing, I want to balance it out with something that's a little salty and a little tart. So I'm going to be adding on some fresh kimchi on top. You can also add some raw sauerkraut if you'd like. And last but not least, I gotta add that avocado on top. Avocados are filled with healthy fats that you can enjoy, and they're extremely filling. I love me some avocado. How absolutely gorgeous does this salad look? I will never ever get tired of eating and enjoying these beautiful colors. I believe that it is truly a gift to enjoy Mother Nature's bounty. I look at this bowl and I simply think to myself that it is filled with life, and I get so excited about eating foods that I know will nourish me physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Once you have your salad prepared, go ahead and place it to the side, and let's make our dressing. The first thing that I'm gonna do is make some freshly squeezed orange juice. For this dressing, I'm gonna need approximately 2 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice. So I'm gonna slice these oranges in half, and just using this hand tool, I will squeeze out the orange juice until I get approximately 2 cups. Once you've made your orange juice, you can go ahead and add it into your high-speed blender of choice. I'm using my Vitamix A3500. I'm then gonna add in the juice of 2 limes, along with the 1/2 to 1 cup of raw pistachios, a small handful of cilantro. You can also use basil or parsley here if you'd like, approximately 4 cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. You can always adjust these ingredients based upon your needs. I am making an abundance of this dressing because not only will I use it for this salad that my mom and I are sharing tonight, but I will also save some for later. This dressing stores amazing in the refrigerator in a seal-tight glass jar for up to 5 days. The citric acid from the oranges helps it last a bit longer. This combination is to live for. Is your mouth watering yet? You will absolutely love this dressing. Once you've made your dressing, you can go ahead and pour it onto your salad. Dive right in. You can dress your salad however you wish. You can mix it in, you can simply drizzle it on top. Let this be a meal that truly brings you joy. I simply can never get enough of how good this is. And it feels good to eat foods that are good for you. Your body will thank you. I hope that this recipe becomes an easy go-to recipe that you can enjoy at any time. It's also a hit with family and friends. Please let me know in the comments if you give this one a try and what you think. I can't wait to hear from you. This right here is a life-giving salad. All I can say right now is yum. How delicious does this look? I cannot wait to dive in. Zora wants to be in the outro tonight. Thank you all so much for joining me in this video today. I hope that you have loved this recipe. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more goodness to come. If you would like the exact ingredients for this salad and this orange pistachio dressing, please download my FullyRaw recipe app. There are more than 450 raw vegan recipes on my app waiting for you to enjoy. My app is available on iTunes and Google Play. The initial download is free, and then after that you can choose between a monthly and a yearly subscription, and I've included both of those links for you below. If you're looking to get a new blender, please check out Vitamix Blenders. I've included a special link for you below with all of their current sales, and this link will also give you $100 off their Venturous blender. Please go check it out and you can thank me later. I'm gonna go and enjoy this delicious salad, and I hope that you get to go and do the same. Thank you all so much for joining me. Sending you all my hugs and my love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.